Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to edit the image using your Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows PC. For example, Windows 8, Windows 10 or in your Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the image on your browser like this. Right click on that image. Here you can get the option edit image. As you can see that, just click on edit. It will open the built-in image editor of your Microsoft Edge browser. So as you can see guys, the image was now opening in the editor. As you can see, now if you want to crop that image, you can easily crop it from here, or if you want to adjust the image brightness, exposure, contrast, everything you can get from here. If you want to change the filter of that image, you can also do it from here. As you can see guys, if you want to add any text or something else, so just go to markup option. From here you can easily able to draw on your image. If you want to add the text here, you can easily able to do it from here. Okay, so this is the very nice and useful feature added in the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so now in case guys, if you want to edit the image of your PC, means save image on your PC, so just drag and drop that image to the Microsoft Edge browser like this. Now it will open that image on your browser. Right click on that image, same thing, just select the edit image option. Also from here you can easily able to edit your PC image also. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.